Welcome back. Even as Aam Aadmi Party chief calls for a special Delhi Assembly session, here's the latest coming in from Kapil Mishra.
We are here with currently joined with Kapil Mishra here.
तरह की जानकारी थी वहाँ पर क्या किया इन लोगों ने?
मेरे को उसके डिटेल सीबीआई की जानकारी के बाद ही मिलेंगे, लेकिन जो भी पता लग रहा है देश के खिलाफ कुछ काम किए गए हैं।
क्या किस तरह के काम किए गए? क्या काम किए? देशद्रोही काम किया है? क्या काम
नहीं पता, सीबीआई जांच करेगी। लेकिन ये लोग जहाँ जहाँ गए हैं पिछले 2 साल में दुनिया में जितने देशों में, वो सारी देश को बताना होगा और अपनी हर एक चीज सोशल मीडिया में डालते थे, अपनी हर एक चीज जनता को बताते थे। लेकिन रशिया गए, दुनिया के और कई देशों में गए, दुर्गेश पाठक, राघव चड्ढा, संजय सिंह, आशीष खेतान और सत्येंद्र जैन, उसकी कोई जानकारी किसी सोशल मीडिया में क्यों नहीं डाली गई?
ये आप टिकट दिखाने वाले हैं, विदेशी यात्राओं की टिकट दिखाएंगे, फोटो दिखाएंगे, आप
मेरे को केवल जानकारी मिली है, उनके पासपोर्ट के डिटेल सीबीआई निकलवाएगी।
ये जो ईमेल आईडी है कपिल, ये जो ईमेल आईडी है, इससे क्या जानकारी मिली है?
211 भ्रष्टाचार की शिकायतें आई है मेरे पास।
तो उन्हीं में से एक शिकायत भी करने जा रहे हैं।
मुझे नहीं पता, सीबीआई जानकारी करके डिटेल निकालेगी। लेकिन बहुत सारी जिससे देश बिलीव नहीं कर सकता, इतनी सारी विदेश यात्राएं हुई हैं पिछले 2 सालों में।
तो क्या आपको लगता है कि उसमें और विधायक भी शामिल हैं या फिर और मंत्री?
मेरे को अभी इन 5 लोगों के बारे में पता लगा है। और मैं एक चीज की घोषणा करता हूं, अगर अपनी विदेश यात्राओं की सारी डिटेल सार्वजनिक नहीं की इन लोगों ने, तो मैं कल से भूख हड़ताल पे बैठूंगा।
कहाँ बैठेंगे?
यहीं अपने घर पे,
सीएम के घर पे,
यहीं पर ही।
अपने घर पे
और मामला सामने आया, 2 करोड़ का एक और मामला सामने आया।
आम आदमी पार्टी का जो 2 करोड़ का मामला सामने आया है, उसकी आपकी क्या प्रतिक्रिया?
मैंने उसके डिटेल मंगवाए, अगर मेरे पास आएंगे तो उसके डिटेल मैं, कई लोग मेरे को, पूरे दुनिया से लोग मुझे डिटेल दे रहे हैं। ये डिटेल स्टेटमेंट्स हैं मेरी। मेरे ही पुराने वीडियो है, अरविंद जी के भी पुराने वीडियो निकाल के देख लीजिए। I have seen him taking cash.
विरोधी आप आम आदमी पार्टी ये कह रही है कि बीजेपी, आम आदमी पार्टी ये कह रही है कपिल कि आप बीजेपी।
I will reveal the evidence to CBI because he is CM, he is very powerful, very influential, he has money power, he can tamper with the evidences.
बीजेपी के शहर पर आप बयान दे रहे हैं, कहना है आम आदमी पार्टी का, कपिल क्या कहना है?
मैं सबूत देने जा रहा हूँ, बयान देने नहीं जा रहा हूँ। सीबीआई में जा रहा हूँ, अपनी विदेश यात्राओं की डिटेल सार्वजनिक करे, वरना कल ये पेपर मत छीनेगा, वरना कल से मैं भूख हड़ताल पर बैठूंगा।
यहाँ पर सीधे तौर पर जो कपिल हैं वो बैठ रहे हैं अपनी गाड़ी में और कोशिश
सबूत के तौर पे जो है तमाम डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो है वो यहाँ से लेकर।
Last reaction, you've heard it here on India Today from Kapil Mishra after he wrote an open letter to Arvind Kejriwal. Many of the details he's repeating as he's going to the CBI, saying that now it is in the CBI's domain. I will put forward the foreign trips undertaken by Aam Aadmi Party leaders, and he has mentioned 5 of those leaders. During his interaction, he said that there are at least 211 corruption cases that have come forward. Take a listen again.
मैंने उसके डिटेल मंगवाई, मुझे जानकारी दे रहे हैं। फॉरेन ट्रिप्स की जो FIR आज मैं देने जा रहा हूँ, इसकी जानकारी मुझे कल शाम को ही मिली है। 211 भ्रष्टाचार की शिकायतें मेरे पास आ चुकी हैं और लगातार आ रही हैं। थैंक यू।
तो कपिल मिश्रा निकल रहे हैं सीबीआई दफ्तर के लिए। अभी 2 करोड़ का मामला जो आया,
जो लिफाफे हैं इसमें लिखा हुआ है कि FIR अगेंस्ट अरविंद केजरीवाल जी, सत्येंद्र जैन जी फॉर एक्सचेंज जो है इलीगल एंड अनअकाउंटेड कैश। लिखा हुआ है इस लिफाफे में, अलग अलग लिफाफे हैं जो वो सीबीआई को दिए जा रहे हैं। 3 लिफाफे हैं यहाँ पर कपिल, ये 3 लिफाफे हैं।
We are here with joined with Kapil Mishra है। आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ कि तीसरी जो FIR है, जिसकी जानकारी मुझे कल मिली थी, बहुत खतरनाक जानकारी है। रशिया में संजय सिंह जी ने कुछ इलीगल डीलिंग करी है और विदेश यात्राएं दुर्गेश पाठक, राघव चड्ढा, संजय सिंह, आशीष खेतान और सत्येंद्र जैन की बहुत खतरनाक जानकारियां मेरे पास आ रही है। सीबीआई
किस तरह की यात्राएं थी वहाँ पर, क्या किया इन लोगों ने?
मेरे को उसके डिटेल सीबीआई सीबीआई की जानकारी के बाद ही मिलेंगे, लेकिन जो भी पता लग रहा है देश के खिलाफ कुछ काम किए गए।
काम किया है क्या
सीबीआई जांच करेगी, लेकिन ये लोग जहाँ जहाँ गए हैं पिछले 2 साल में दुनिया में जितने देशों में, वो सारी देश को बताना होगा। और अपनी हर एक चीज सोशल मीडिया में डालते थे, अपनी हर एक चीज जनता को बताते थे, लेकिन रशिया गए, दुनिया के और कई देशों में गए, दुर्गेश पाठक, राघव चड्ढा, संजय सिंह, आशीष खेतान और सत्येंद्र जैन, उसकी कोई जानकारी किसी सोशल मीडिया में क्यों नहीं डाली गई?
अभी खाने वाले हैं विदेशी यात्राओं की टिकट दिखाएंगे, फोटो दिखाएंगे, आप
केवल जानकारी मिली है, उनके डिटेल सीबीआई निकलवाएगी।
कौन है? 211 जानकारी मिली है,
211 भ्रष्टाचार की शिकायत आई है मेरे पास। मुझे नहीं पता, सीबीआई जानकारी करके डिटेल निकालेगी, लेकिन बहुत सारी जिससे देश बिलीव नहीं कर सकता, इतनी सारी विदेश यात्राएं हुई हैं पिछले 2 सालों में।
तो अभी आपको लगता है कि उसमें और विधायक भी शामिल है या फिर और?
मेरे को अभी इन 5 लोगों के बारे में पता लगा है। और मैं एक चीज की घोषणा करता हूं, अगर अपनी विदेश यात्राओं की सारी डिटेल सार्वजनिक नहीं की इन लोगों ने, तो मैं कल से भूख हड़ताल पे बैठूंगा।
2 करोड़ का एक और मामला सामने आया, 2 करोड़ का एक और मामला सामने आया, आयकर विभाग ने डिटेल मांगी।
2 करोड़ का
मामला सामने, आयकर विभाग ने डिटेल मांगी।
डिटेल मंगवाएं, अगर मेरे पास आएंगे तो उसके डिटेल।
2015 का मामला है।
5 लोग कौन है? 5 लोग कौन है? क्या है? 5 लोग कौन है? 5 लोग कौन है?
मेरे पुराने वीडियो है, अरविंद जी के भी पुराने वीडियो निकाल के देख लीजिए।
5 लोग कौन है?
I have seen him taking cash.
कपिल 5 लोग कौन है? आम आदमी पार्टी ये कह रही है कि आम आदमी पार्टी कपिल क्या बीजेपी
CBI, because he is CM, he is very powerful, very influential, he has money power, he can temper with them.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल ये है कि समय को लेकर के बात कर रहे हैं।
मैं सबूत देने जा रहा हूँ, बयान देने नहीं जा रहा हूँ, CBI में जा रहा हूँ। अपनी विदेश यात्राओं की डिटेल सार्वजनिक करें।
5 लोग कौन है? 5 लोग कौन है? एक बार दोबारा
वरना कल से मैं भूख हड़ताल पर।
पेपर दिखाने दो यार।
That is Kapil Mishra saying, I will sit on a hunger strike if the Aam Aadmi Party leaders do not release their details of their foreign travels. Also getting a tweet from Arvind Kejriwal where he said just about few minutes back, देश में चल रहे एक बहुत बड़े षड्यंत्र का सच आज सदन में सौरभ भारद्वाज देश के सामने रखेंगे, उन्हें जरूर सुनिएगा। सत्यमेव जयते, so let the truth win, the truth shall prevail is what Arvind Kejriwal is saying. My colleague Ankit is also joining us on the story. Ankit, according to this latest tweet from Arvind Kejriwal, who's broken his silence on all the charges leveled against him, Saurabh Bhardwaj to lead the defense of the Aam Aadmi Party in the special session of Delhi Assembly.
Well, let me tell you, in the special session of the Delhi Assembly, there is not going to be any defense as far as the allegations of Kapil Mishra are concerned. We broke this story on India Today yesterday. The EVM issue is back as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned.
Okay.
And today the expose is going to be on the EVM issue itself. What sources are telling us is that they possibly are trying to pull out, apart from the allegations that their investigation that they have done about EVM tampering, they may also spring up a few surprises there as far as EVM is concerned. The Aam Aadmi Party has been in talks with the opposition parties as well, and you may see representation of opposition parties in the Delhi Assembly for the first time today at the Speaker's Gallery. So the Aam Aadmi Party is pulling out all punches as far as the EVM issue is concerned. The critics may call it Arvind Kejriwal's way of trying to deflect from the Kapil Mishra issue, but as of now, the Aam Aadmi Party believes that this special session that was called only for the EVMs is going to be a big expose on the EVM tampering, and that is all preparations are being done for. I am right now.
All right, that's an exclusive detail coming in.
Devina, where we are expecting Kapil Mishra to come here any moment.
Okay, that's an exclusive detail that is coming in from Ankit as well. The special Delhi Assembly session where Saurabh Bhardwaj will be talking about the EVM expose that Aam Aadmi Party is planning, according to the latest tweet from Arvind Kejriwal. But here is the point. They are under pressure to break the silence on Kapil Mishra charges as well, because Anna Hazare has also told India Today that if charges are proven against Arvind Kejriwal, I will sit on a dharna in Jantar Mantar and seek his resignation. So former mentor Anna Hazare upping the ante against Arvind Kejriwal, saying that I will sit on dharna. He must resign if charges against him are proven. On the other side, Kapil Mishra, his own man, now turned rebel as well, talking about a hunger strike, saying that release your details of foreign travel of all your leaders. He said that CBI will probe where all they went. They should seek the passport. There is more to the story, and this is just another twist in the case that we're seeing of the AAP implosion being witnessed. Meanwhile, Arvind Kejriwal, who had called for a special Delhi Assembly session, and Ankit is giving us this report as well, that how now they will be talking about the EVM expose. Let's go across to Ankit Tyagi right now, who's still with us. So, Ankit, it's Anna Hazare also now threatening a stir in a dharna against Arvind Kejriwal. About time that he speaks out against the charges of corruption leveled against him.
Well, as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, they have decided that the chief, Arvind Kejriwal, is not going to speak anything about what Kapil Mishra has been saying. They believe that these are unsubstantiated evidence or allegations being made by a disgruntled former Aam Aadmi Party minister. Now, what they are saying is that Kapil Mishra, he wants to take you to the CBI. He is welcome to. ACB already has, in fact, our Mail Today, sister publication Mail Today ran a story today that ACB sources have told them that Kapil Mishra did not give any substantive proof as far as allegation of bribery is concerned to the ACB. Now, we'll have to wait and see what evidence does he present in front of the CBI, and whether the CBI would be able to hold a conclusive case against Arvind Kejriwal after Kapil Mishra presents his side here. So that is why Arvind Kejriwal is, as of now, decided not to speak on whatever Kapil Mishra is saying. But yes, they would want to deflect the entire focus on their expose, big expose on the EVM that the Aam Aadmi Party is promising today at 2 p.m. in the Delhi Assembly session that has been specially called for this only.
So 2 p.m. onwards, where we could see some fresh counter coming from the Aam Aadmi Party. As Ankit is reporting, they'll be upping the ante on the EVM tampering charge that they've been talking about. But will that also take the spotlight away from Kapil Mishra's charges? Now he's going to approach the CBI. He's also raked in the foreign trips of the former Aam Aadmi Party leaders. He said that they have undertaken these foreign trips. He's also talked about 211 cases of corruption that's come forward. He said, I will sit on a hunger strike if these details are not released soon. Now, Ankit, what sort of defense is the Aam Aadmi Party planning once Kapil Mishra goes to the CBI? Because after that, the proceedings will be initiated. So are they preempting any defense from the Kapil Mishra's fresh charges of foreign trips undertaken by the leaders?
Well, Devina, first of all, let us understand what's the procedure here at the CBI would be. It's not that as soon as Kapil Mishra walks in, there will be a CBI inquiry that will be initiated. The CBI, of course, will take the application or the evidences that Kapil Mishra wants to give. On that, they will then go through whether prima facie they believe that an investigation can be done or not. If they believe that an investigation needs to be done, then they will have to get approval from the MHA, and then an investigation will start. Post that only, Kapil Mishra would ask for his official statement. He will ask for the evidence that he can bring through, and then the CBI would call people, those who are being accused as this case is concerned. So it's not that Kapil Mishra walks in today and from tomorrow CBI would be at Arvind Kejriwal's heels. Yes, Kapil Mishra is upping the ante, and this also now would be a test for Kapil Mishra of the allegations that he has been making. If he has substantive proof, of course this is big trouble for Arvind Kejriwal and the party. But as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, they have been saying that Kapil Mishra is only raking these allegations without any substantive proof. As far as the foreign trips are concerned, Raghav Chadha has already clarified that he went on his own money, and he's ready to provide the proof of the foreign trip that he took in his personal capacity when Mother Teresa was being canonized at Vatican. As far as the other leaders are concerned,
Okay, well, Ankit, that's what I was coming to, because it's not just one case, and you're saying, of course, the CBI will have to follow the procedure, but it's all being played out in the public domain as well, in front of the media cameras as well, where the voters are watching each and every allegation that is coming from Arvind Kejriwal's own former minister. So first, it is about the foreign trips. It's also about the income tax department now issuing notice to Aam Aadmi Party on major discrepancies in the party's donation records. We had seen the bribery charge come from Kapil Mishra as well, where he had said that 2 crore allegedly exchanged hands between Satyendra Jain and Arvind Kejriwal. So these are serious charges, and just a mere Twitter response is not enough from the Delhi Chief Minister, where he's talking about the EVM tampering issue there in the Delhi Assembly that we're seeing. Isn't it more of a deflection of his tactic? Because earlier, when he talked about introspection, when he had said that why they lost the MCD polls, they said that they will move away from the EVM tampering issue as well.
Well, they never said that they were going to move away from the EVM tampering issue, but yes, sources also told us that there are other issues, and the top leadership wants to stay away from the EVM issue till the time they have solid evidence. Possibly, Aam Aadmi Party has those evidence that they were waiting for, and that is why they are back on the EVM issue. As far as the allegations by Mr. Kapil Mishra are concerned, you're very right, Devina, when you point out that this is all being played out in front of the cameras, and this is exactly what the Aam Aadmi Party is saying, that this is only being done to garner some sort of attention in front of the media cameras. If he has proof, he should put those proof. Investigation will prove who's right, who's wrong. But yes, politics is perception, and that is all it is. The voters, of course, who voted for Arvind Kejriwal, only thinking that he is the most honest person around, it will be important for the Aam Aadmi Party to at least try and satisfy them with whatever Kapil Mishra is saying. Whether they have been able to do it by Arvind Kejriwal not speaking, or they are going to, have a deficit of that with their voters, we'll have to wait and see.
All right, but the opposition is upping the ante, Ankit, in the capital as well. You have now the visuals coming in of the BJP protest, BJP which is demanding Arvind Kejriwal's resignation, along with the Congress which has raised the demand. Now, Anna Hazare, former mentor of Arvind Kejriwal, also saying that if charges proven against Arvind Kejriwal, then I will sit on a dharna demanding his resignation. So he's been put under pressure for over 57 hours, and counting is what the countdown meter says now. We've seen the hours since Kapil's bribe bomb. Kejriwal's silence, only taking it on Twitter that he has expressed his views there as well. He's not given out a defense. So remember that. Aam Aadmi Party's strategy, let Kapil Mishra say all the charges. We will hold on to the fact that these are baseless. Arvind Kejriwal has not come in front of the cameras till now. Special Assembly session being called today. Ankit, any chances of Arvind Kejriwal taking the dais and addressing his MLAs?
Well, at the Assembly, it is expected that the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister are going to speak. Whether he speaks about Kapil Mishra or not, that we will have to wait and see. But expect a lot of ruckus inside the Assembly as well, Devina. BJP has a strength, numbers increased by 1. They are now 4. Kapil Mishra would also be inside the Assembly. He is an MLA, though suspended from the Aam Aadmi Party, remain.
All right, we'll try and connect with Ankit. Some disturbance in the line there, but the visuals you're seeing are outside Delhi Assembly. BJP already opening a morcha there. 4 of their MLAs now, after we've seen the by-poll in Rajouri Garden, their strength has increased to 4. And 66 versus 4. But in 66, you also have the rebel MLA, Kapil Mishra, who's still there. And let's also get in Ankit to know more about what's expected in the Delhi Assembly's special session in just a bit. But what we can show you from outside Delhi Assembly right now is that BJP is holding a protest rally. And it is incumbent now on the Aam Aadmi Party chief, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, to tide over this crisis, break his silence, expecting a statement from him in the Delhi Special Assembly session. Although he's tweeted saying that we will today reveal and expose the biggest scam in the nation. He said that we will now also talk about the truth and let the truth prevail. Saurabh Bhardwaj will be leading this charge. According to sources, it will be on the alleged EVM tampering that Aam Aadmi Party has talked about so far. Days are gone of introspection for Aam Aadmi Party, where Arvind Kejriwal, after his bout of Aam Aadmi Party in the MCD polls, had called for an introspection, moving away from the EVM tampering allegations which had backfired on the voters. But now it's time that Arvind Kejriwal must come out with the truth of Kapil Mishra's allegations, even a denial which only his spokesperson seems to be doing, not the Chief Minister. So here are the charges against Arvind Kejriwal. First up from Kapil Mishra is a bribery charge of 2 crore. Second charge from Kapil Mishra, foreign tours by Aam Aadmi Party leaders. And then we have seen that he has said that there are 211 corruption cases that he brought. Fourth charge, Delhi water tanker scam that happened during the Congress government was ignored. The facts were ignored by none other than Arvind Kejriwal. Take a listen to what's happening outside Delhi Assembly.
जो भी टेम्पो के पीछे चलेंगे सब लोग टेम्पो को आगे करेंगे। एक बार टेम्पो को पीछे करो, मैं आ रहा हूं। ठीक है साथियों, भारत माता की कली कली
All right, let's try and see if we can get Ankit back online again. But here's the fact that Delhi, which has seen the turmoil with the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, the tussle was evident in the MCD polls. A major shot in the arm for the BJP now, because they've seen that it's from within the Aam Aadmi Party that it's imploding. The wheels of which started churning just after the MCD polls, where heads started rolling for the loss of face that party saw in the MCD polls, an indication that how they've fallen in the public perception as well. And what we've seen is nothing short of a complete turmoil in the Aam Aadmi Party. Let's take a short break at the moment, staying with these visuals at this point of time, but coming right back with more news and updates. Stay with us.